Former NFL quarterback and recovering drug addict Ryan Leaf spoke to University of Alabama students today about mental health and substance abuse. WVUA 23's Brent Caswell brings us more on Leaf's recovery and how the university is stepping up to help students overcome drug addiction.
Addiction is a disease that hits close to home for many.
It's not a choice that a person consciously made to become an alcoholic or a drug addict. It happens to some people, it doesn't happen to other people.
College is an experimental time for many students.
College students sometimes have a feeling that they're invincible and that no matter what happens, that things are going to turn out really well for them.
A one-time test turns into another and another, sinking some people into a dark hole of addiction that consumes their whole life. But the University of Alabama's Collegiate Recovery and Intervention Services is trying to help those going down that path.
We provide confidential alcohol and drug counseling. We also have a full collegiate recovery program, and that's for students that are pursuing abstinence-based recovery.
Love wants everyone to understand that addiction can happen to anyone, regardless of status, even a top NFL draft pick.
I just self-medicated with the only drug I knew. It's the only drug I've ever taken. It's the one the doctors prescribed to me for orthopedic injuries, and it worked for my emotional pain when I needed it as well.
Ryan Leaf had the whole world in his hands 20 years ago, when he was the second pick in the NFL draft. But he says his declining mental health was the beginning of the drug addiction that ruined his career.
It's rare that I find somebody who comes in with a substance abuse issue into our facilities who doesn't have a co-occurring mental health diagnosis, which I think is the foundation and base of it. And for me, it was.
And Leaf's empowering journey of recovery is why he came today.
We have someone like that has everything in the world going for them, and this could happen to them. Then it makes relatable for students that they just need to be aware about substance use.
Reporting in Tuscaloosa, Brent Caswell, WVUA 23 News.